Now, let me start the new chapter. Can we share? Class 3 Subject Maths. Prepared by Srimati Shima Chakraborty, PRT, KV number 1, Ishapur. Targeted learning outcome of this chapter. The children should understand the repeated subtraction is called division. Shares or divides the objects equally in group. Knows the symbol of division. This is the symbol of division. They should solve the word problems based on division. Now the chapter comes, can we share? Children, tell me how many in each group. Total butterflies, there are 10 butterflies and they are in 2 groups. So in each group there are 5 butterflies. So we have shared these 10 butterflies into 2 groups. Come to the next page. Gopu has 3 plates of jalebis. Each plate has a different numbers of jalebis. The first plate is having 1 jalebi. The second plate is having 5 jalebis. And the third plate is having 3 jalebis. So children, how many jalebis are there now? There are 9 jalebis. And again there are 3 plates. So how many jalebis are there altogether? 9. How many jalebis are there in each plate now? In each plate, that means 3 jalebis can be put. So discuss in the class how you have found out the answer. That means 3 3s are 9. If each plate will contain 3 jalebis, then total will be 9. Next page. Here are 6 bananas and here are 3 monkeys. If they share the bananas equally, each monkey will get 2 bananas. 6 bananas will be divided into 3 equal parts. That is equal to 2 bananas each. That means 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Now if there are 6 bananas and 2 monkeys, each monkey will get 3 bananas. That means 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 bananas each. Come to the next one. Now there are 21 caterpillars. Count it. There are 21 caterpillars or not? 21 caterpillars. And they are in how many groups? 3 groups. So in each group, how many caterpillars must be there? 7. Because 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. That is 3 7s are 21. Similarly, how many laddus are here? There are 3 4s are 12 laddus. And they are in how many groups? 4 groups. There are dash laddus in each group. There are 3 laddus in each group. Now share the grains. Mummy bird brings 12 grains. How to distribute equally? Mummy bird starts by giving 1 grain to each baby. Then mummy bird gives 1 more grain to each baby. Each baby has got 2 grains now. How many grains are left? How many grains are left? She puts 1 more grains in each baby's mouth. All the grains are finished. 12 grains have been divided among 4 baby birds. Each baby has got 3 grains. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Now draw 18 stars, put them into 2 equal groups. There are how many stars? There are how many stars must be there in 2 groups? 9. Because 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. That is 9 twos are 18. Draw 18 beads. Put them into 3 equal groups. So there are 6 beads in each group. Now share 12 balloons among 3 boys. How many balloons for each boy? 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. Each boy has 4 balloons. There are 21 candles. Put them equally in 3 boxes. How many candles are there in each box? 21 candles are there and there are 3 boxes. So in each box 7 candles can be kept. So 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Now again another, this is the steps. Which number will the kangaroo reach in 2 jumps? Who all will meet at the number 15? Find out. Will the rabbit ever be at the number 18? How many jumps of the rabbit equal 1 jump of the horse? How many jumps of the horse equals 2 jumps of the kangaroo? Which is the smallest number where the frog and the squirrel will meet? Just find out the answer. Wow, now there is a very good exercise for you. There's a worksheet. 16 divided by 4 is how much? Tell me children, it is 4. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So this way mental maths must be done. Orally you must do this. Now division problems, work out the answer to these division problems involving sharing and grouping. Share out 20 pencils equally between 5 pencil pots. How many pencils in each pot? 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So do this children. Divide 24 children into teams of 4. How many teams will there be? So 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So in this way you do this word problems. Divide 30 calculators into packs of 10. How many packs will there be? Share out 27 fish equally between 3 aquariums. How many fish in each aquarium? Share out 21 passengers equally between 7 cars. How many passengers in each car? Divide 36 competitors equally between 9 events. How many competitors for each event? Again division to 10 into 10 sheet, that is dash divided by 2 is equal to 4. So what should be here? 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. So do this children. This is another sum for you. Circle the groups and find the quotient. Here divide the followings in groups of 7. Now first find out how many triangles are there and divide it by 7. You have to do this. Okay, these are the certain picture figures, picture sums. So thank you children. In this slide you have understood how to solve the problems based on division, and you can work out for word problems. Thank you children. Do as much as exercises, do the worksheets properly, mentally, and solve all the sums. Thank you children. God bless you.